What's up, guys? Just doing a quick video on the first two mods you need to get for your new Tacoma or truck. Let's show you real quick. So number one, you need floor liners. It's like a must-have. You don't want to ruin your carpet in your vehicle. You can get the last fit like I have, WeatherTech, Husky, or the Toyota makes an all-weather floor mat. That's pretty good too. But I would say the best one to get, you know, it's not just because I have it, but for total coverage, this is even more than like WeatherTech I had, is for complete coverage, the last fit liners are really good. And for the money, you can't beat it. One thing that's really unique about the last fit ones is most of these floor liners, there's no cap here. This makes it completely waterproof. And this is where you would lock it into the floor, but I don't, just because I have my stock Tacoma carpet ones in there still. But as you can see, there's a hole through the liner. So last fit made it where now there's a cap that goes over it, completely waterproof now. So it's pretty cool little thing that they do with their floor liners, and it's even more coverage. Look at all that mud from when I always take my truck off-roading or out to take my dogs. You know, if this wasn't here, it'd be all over ruin my carpet, and that's something you don't want. So number two, like I've shown in the past video, you need a bed mat. Say hi to Athena and Covey. But yeah, like I've shown a video of this. Get a bed mat. You know, the stock Tacomas, they come with, like, it's not even a good bed. It's plastic, real, everything slides on it. It's not any good. So you need to get yourself a bed mat so stuff's not sliding around, or your dogs, you know, sliding around back there because they can't get a grip. So like I shown you, last fit is what I have. Full coverage back here, and it's a rubberized coating, which is awesome. So those are the first two mods I would say that you have to get for your new Tacoma or any other truck that you have, or even a car. Get floor mats, if anything. But these two are must-haves. Just wanted to show you real quick. Like I've said before, the Last Fit brand is awesome. Very good customer service. That's what I have. As you can see, total coverage in the bed of my truck. Same with the floor liners. Discount code will be in description with the links to floor mat and the bed mat. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. And if you care about your vehicle, these are the two mods that are actually needed for the truck.